So if you're running this tiered discount type of discount indefinitely, you can create a smart deal. Inside the smart deal, there is a type that is called tiered discount. So you will put 0 here. You might want to consider all of the items, and the minimum will be 10, 100, 10% off. You can also cap the discount to a certain amount of money in dollar. I will stack another deal. I'll put 0 here, 150 there, anything, 15, and I'll do the same again. So this 200, I have 20. So now I'm fine. I'll create a deal and I'll automate it. Automating it will mean that I want to choose when this should trigger. And let's say I would like to trigger the application if at least I have $100 in cart to trigger the first tier. So now I will tiered discount for ticket 6. So now I will create a new group. I'll put it active, and I will create a new group. The group is what groups multiple promotions together. So you would like maybe to have different groups, or you would like to put all within the same group for all your promotions. So now I have the tiered discount that is done. So from 1st November to 21st, 50% off non-sell item. So the non-sell item would need to be regrouped inside a collection, and I will create another smart deal. And the reason why I'm not using a Shopify discount code is that maybe you would like to stack both of the tiered discount, 10, 15, 20%, and also the 15% on top of it. You could either add them both together to the same order, or define if you would only like to give the best discount rather than the 2 discount to the same order. So right now I'll select, for example, a specific item, 15, and I will select a collection that will be non-sell collection. In my case, it's not called non-sell. So this should be it. I will create the deal. I will also automate it, and I would like to apply it if at least one item from the non-sell items is present in cart. So I will call it 15% off non-sell items. And I don't want to put it in a new group. I would like to put it inside this. So if I only do this and nothing else, then what it will do, it will actually give the tier discount first, and if there's no tier discount reserved, meaning if the cart has not reached $100, then it will give the 15% off non-sale items, which is probably not what you want, because you would probably prefer to give both of them. So that's why you need to create another smart deal that will be called a combined deal. Combined deal is the last type of deal that exists here. You would select both of them, the one that I've created, and you could give all the deals, so we will add them together, stacked, or only the best deal for each item. You can click here if you would like to have an example, but it's pretty straightforward. So in our case, I would like to have all the deals, and I would like, of course, to I can put the trigger, can put to here, and I will like to call it combined deal for ticket group. And I don't want to create a new group because I would like to have it there. So now this combined deal, I would like to put a bigger priority. I would like the app script to check it first. And if I have what it takes. So meaning I have non-sale items and I also have $100 in cart, then both of the deals will apply to this same order. So it's the same logic as well for 20% off poncho. So if you would like 20% off poncho to be added on top of the 15% off and on top of the tier discount, it's the same thing. The only thing that is different is when you create the actual smart deal, you will select another one. There will be another deal here in the list, and you will select the three of them. About this free recycled shopping bag on orders. So this, you can add a gift to any deal that you've already created. And the way to add a gift, so you will go and edit your deal, but let's say I would not create another deal. Here in give a product, you just tick this box and you select, and this will allow you to give a product either 50% off, 10% off, or free. And this will allow you to, on top of the deal created above here, you will also give a gift. If you want this gift to be in a totally separate promotion, well, it's basically the same as we used to do. So you will create inside the same combined deal, you will have 4 deals. The first deal will be the tier discount, second deal will be this one, and third deal will be the ponchos, and fourth deal will be the gift on orders over 50%, $50. So here it's the same as the poncho. The only thing that would be different would be the date, and you have 2 ways to control the date. You have one way inside the deal itself, so you can put an active date and an end date. And you also have a way inside the promotion rules. So inside the promotion rule, the difference between the dates here and the date in the smart deal, the date in the smart deal, well, it's basically the same, but it's when the deal will become unavailable, like disabled, like a Shopify discount code. Here will be the date when you actually want to trigger the application of this deal. So let's say you make a mistake and you put only one deal here or there, it should still work, but you better put the right dates and you'll sleep better. But these dates are for the whole group. So let's say you want to have different dates like you have here. So you would need to, instead of having one group with 4 different smart deal or 4 different promotion rules, you would need to separate them in different groups. Like when you create the promotion, instead of selecting the same group, you'll select new group and you will put different dates there. But I would strongly recommend that maybe instead you put the dates inside the smart deal, so this way, well, it's easier to manage.